What is good? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Okay. So guys, if you aren't aware, this video, I'm going to be coding in MS-DOS. Not only MS-DOS, but in C++. Not only in C++, but with no Intel sense. So I am absolutely cooked. Actually, take it all back. That's the biggest problem right there. No Intel sense to autocorrect for me? Yeah, I'm good. But listen, man. That's how my Gramps used to do it. Not really. My Gramps is not a burger. But here we go. Now, I'm going to make sure my chat and everything's synced up before I start. So I know, you know. So I don't ignore people like I did last time. I don't really ignore anyone. So let's pull my channel up. Let's open up. Let's open up YouTube. Let me get the chat at the side of the screen. All right. Wonderful. Everything should be looking fine. Everything should be working. Because I will not be using anything other than this site to kind of help me, guide me, you know. If I get desperate, maybe I'll just start vibe coding. No, I'm kidding. No, I guess I'm not. Claude, bro. Imagine. Anyway, but here we go. So right now this is just printing the number 4. So that's really nothing. But I don't know what I want to make. I don't really know where to start. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna make it to where we're gonna make a little bit of a calculator. That could be a good start. A calculator is rough though. For a first thing, maybe I should make like a one of those little things where it's like a maybe a dice. I'll make like a dice. Like a random number generator maybe. This is scary, dude. This is actually scary. So I'm gonna put up my my little guide here because no, I don't know what I'm doing, man. I'm scared, man. Now, for those who don't know, I am the smartest programmer on Earth, so it's really not that much of a challenge. I've written multiple compilers from scratch, but you know, I wanted to start with do something a little easier today, you know, so. Yeah. Anyway. Let's figure this out. So when noting, can you note things out in this version? Like does that actually ignore the lines? I am curious. So I've learned F9 is gonna compile it. Let's see if we get any errors. Shouldn't get any errors from that, right? Because that should be noting them out. That was success. It did note them out. It did note them out. So it looks like it's actually similar to C#, but almost nowhere near similar to C#. Does that make sense? So so a dice has 6 sides. So we all know that, right? 2 integers, the min and the max. But this is scary. And now we need to make like some sort of dice roll, which I don't know. We need another int called random. And we're just going to make it. We need to make a random number generator. So hold on, let's see this. I'm looking at stuff right now. This is scary, man. So it's saying MT. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I don't really want to follow that tutorial. Okay. It's a little too much. Well, let's think here. This is scary, man. So let's think. If we want, let's see. I'm looking at. So what are algorithms? Oh, it's got a DM. Hold on. I got a little recommendation for the title of the stream. All right. This is hard. If you guys like content like this, you know, I'm kidding. So far, I haven't done anything. So let me figure out what to do. So first, let me go to the site. It flashbangs my whole room every single time I open this, but you know what? What's the problem with that? There's a problem with that. So let's see. There's just a bunch of things that I don't understand. I want to make a random number generator. That's like all I want to do today. High Vise. Yes, you're High Vise. you gotta have your own little goofy name. Goat. Goat. Alright. So we're gonna make a random number generator. I don't care how long this takes me, I'm making a random number generator. Somehow. Don't know how. This language looks like Chinese. And C# is like Spanish. But, you know, I almost looked up something that wasn't CPP, and I almost got in a lot of trouble. See, I'm not writing all that. Can I, like, show this on screen? That is the most code I've ever seen in my life, just to write a random number generator? There's gotta be a quicker way. Sure, if DOS has random, so are we gonna have to create random? Hold on. I'm seeing something. Oh, this is stressful. Can I make a new file? Something new. IO stream include C. What did we have last time? I forgot. And we're gonna make a for loop. Oh, we're gonna test this out. F9 we're gonna compile this. Errors, we already have. Holy shiza. Okay, I didn't misspell that. So, hold on. Yeah, yeah. You see, you caught it out. Let me make sure I didn't misspell anything else before I... What did I put last time? After IO stream? I can't remember. Can I open up the old file? Maybe these aren't recognized? Well, these have to be recognized. Oh, well, I don't have a closing bracket over here. It's not giving me any pointers, dude. This is so scary. I think I'm getting less errors each time. Okay. And I think I also did iostream-h too. Thank you very much, sir. Let's see how far that gets us. See, I don't even know if these are recognized, though. Errors. Way less error. No. Yeah, I don't know if these are, like, recognized in, like, old C. No, this isn't C. Oh, well. I didn't put a... Oh, it needs an H? And that is true. Forgot about that. This is stressful, man. Errors. That's an H. srand. Well, that's just... I'm putting that in the function. Yeah, these might not be, like, real. This is scary, man. I don't... Random number generator. In DOS? Wait, do I have to read it? Time. I see time. Oh, that's actually... It's actually very close to my time. No. My own random? Okay. Can make a new program file, bro. Was it BSS? I forgot what it was. Hasn't been. It was BC. And I want to make a new file. Oh my god, it's fine. Having a lot of files, it's all good. Times a DOS. I'm looking it up like 1990. I'm going to make my own random function though. That's a problem. This is difficult, man. Oh my god, dude. I don't think there's any tutorial on the internet on how to do that. I think I'm gonna have to figure this shit out, man. Hold on, there's different data types. So there's int, float, double, bool. There is string. For each, bro. How do I do Shiza? You know what? Okay, I have an idea. Make. You use car? Okay. Well, and C plus CPP MS DOS 5. No? Okay, okay, okay. Oh my god. Can I copy and paste? I feel so evil, but... Hold on, hold on. Program that adds... I have a better idea. Maybe I'll do something a little bit more simple. Find the largest number. No, I don't want to do that. That's too. Find the GC. Find the GCD. Okay. Car 200. So I can do 200. Okay. Hold on. Include. We're gonna do IOStream. .h. And then it's con IO. I had to look back in the chat. This exists in default C#, it should work. Not C#. What am I yapping about? This is like some ASMR probably. Dude, my loud ass keyboard. I don't know. Number. We're compiling this. Oh no. Did it work? That was weird. I didn't even say anything that time. Or probably did, but I missed it. Why is my subscriber? I just realized my subscriber goal is 100. I did not mean to do 100. Can we see the errors, please? Oh, okay. Another problem. Another problem. I'm such a good programmer. Still errors. Oh, never mind. Take it back. You know what? Maybe I just won't be a lazy bum. I'm kidding. But maybe I'll just. No, why is it doing that, bro? Fuck you, dude. Con IO. Surely. Oh, count. Why'd I put count? Dude, compiling errors is such a strange process. Oddly interesting, though. Let's say errors. Let's see which errors we got this time. Ooh, I wonder what errors. STD. Multiple declaration, well, of course. What? Can you only have one? Is that why they do that weird little thing? Who did that? Bizarre, right? Constant expression required. What the where am I? Hello? I'm in the back rooms. I'm actually in the back rooms. Oh my god, dude. Go back. How do I go back? See shit, dude. Am I missing like a .h or something? Why is using namespace not exist in like C++? Like what? It does, but it's not working. That's like we're gonna do inline, I guess. No, we can't. There's no reason. Now we have to do this again, though. I know. I'm actually really close. Should I look this up? Like, how do I do STD? Like, dude, I'm not gonna be able to find it though. I know, I'm like 2 errors away, dude. Like, old. Sorry, I'm looking this up. No answer. This using namespace thing is not working. An old book. But what should I look up, like, old book for C++? Undefined symbol. Oh, I don't understand what it means by that. Maybe in the early days it's the other way around. found like an old book from like the 80s. Well, yeah, now the pointers are all wrong. Scheiße, I think I fucked everything up. This is very stressful, man. Undefined symbol. What the fuck does that mean, though? I'm gonna look that up, dude. Is Copilot gonna answer me? Yes. You look at... Is there like a website that has a bunch of stuff? See, maybe they do STD in line 91. I don't know. Then what here? We do that. Because... Here we go. That'll clear screen. Dude, I feel like I'm coding in gibberish right now. It works in everyone else's video. So stupid. Yeah, but if we're gonna do just count or sin, we have to have a... It worked last time. No. I guess not. Let's see, guess I didn't... I mean, I guess I never saw, I don't know how that works. Oh yeah, we still have STD here. Hold on. This is very confusing. All right. Let's see. This is scary, man. Okay, we're back to like not that many errors. I still have an STD there. Sorry. Illegal pointer. Is it because I'm using? It's probably because of this inline right here. And I still have an STD. Whoa! Pause. Okay. I'm tweaking. What the fuck? It's like, what is what? Why is it saying like past one? This is very strange. So, did it break? Did I like break it? I might have actually broke it. I feel like I should just leave it here. Because I'm not complaining. Who? Guys, look at this. I'm I'm Electro Wizard. Is this? Did he compile? Something happened. I don't think I'm doing it twice. Getting hacked it. Well, doesn't work on other people with the or last time or never worked. So I'm kind of glad. I really hope this works. Oh, I can actually speed this up. I forgot. This is something. Apparently, I wrote like GTA 6. I think it worked. Oh my god! Do you guys see this? Wait, let's see if this works. What number, guys? 6, 7. Woo! Call me Steve Jobs, dude. Chat! Oh, I'm messing. Dude. That actually is, that's cool. I'm proud of that. Look at this. Alright. Alright, so I think we're gonna make a compiler now. Our own compiler. This is epic, dude. Okay. So I made like a... Wait, can I like make this like... I just compiled this to an exe file. Can I like put this on my desktop, bro? How do I control break? I did not mean to do that. Okay. Wow. This is epic. Bro. That's too big. We did it, chat. We made my first DOS program, kinda. Hold on, let me put this down here for now. That was tough, dude. Damn, that's loud. Whew! Okay, we did it. That's wonderful. That's epic. Now we're gonna go again. We're gonna make something again. We're gonna go back into that old file. Oh, this is something completely different. It's not loading this time. Chat? Sketchy. No. No. This is not BC. I like I'm just messing with random things. Hold on. Whew. Okay. Yeah, something pretty bad. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maybe it'll work now. Yo, Ryan is 608. 8. Restart. Can I edit that? Okay, making sure I didn't get doxed. Hold on. Something, no bueno just happened. Sorry about that. Oh, I am on a new machine. My bad. Who did that? Ryan. Come on, man. You should know better, dude. This is horrifying. I'm in like a dark room and I hear like ear rape. We're back in DOS. Oh no! I forgot about this. Dude, this is such a great computer that I created. This is wonderful. I mean, I didn't create a computer, I guess. It's not really a computer, but you know what I mean. Work all day, and then I'll wake up. Work all day. How do we, let's just do that. It's gonna flashbang me. Wait. Wait, that does not do anything. What am I doing? Then I go BC, right? Yeah. Okay, we're back. We're back in, this. It's not OT, though. Oh, we should do, like... Should we make, like, an if statement? If the number is 67. Then what do we do? Sounds about right. Is this inside main? Yeah, this might make it a little easier. Possibly incorrect assignment. I mean, it says it's working, though. It says success. So maybe that's just an error. Oh, you know what? That's the problem. Sam's retarded. Alright, let's try this now. Wait, was that the correct project? It said no, hold on. Let's go back. I don't know if the... No name 00. That's the... Wonderful. If you put 6-7, it says fuck you. I just got word from my supervisor to change the way that I'm doing things. Which I will. Because he just said I could do all, yeah. But I don't want it to just say fuck you. I want it to do a little bit more. But can you also do like or? Like that. Oh yeah, I could fast forward this. I do kind of like watching it compile though. I have like a... No. I don't know what that is, bro. I'm a little crazy, I guess. It's so satisfying, just kind of watching it. You guys like this? No? Let's see. We should be about done here anyway. But, C+, this is C++, obviously, chat. Don't listen to my chat, dude. My chat's so retarded, dude. Okay, I might have to speed this up. This is taking way too long. How do you guys feel about pirate software? Pirate software, dude. I see you go. Go to YouTube. This is intense programming right here. Oh my god, I have 3 viewers. This is insanity. You know what? Wait, is this... Oh, it just succeeded. I actually have... Alright. How do I go to... You said Alt R? So now if I go to, like, something that's not 6-7... Let's retry that. Oh, that's a number. Wait. Else. We do this. Oh, I went back down to 1. Damn it. No, I might have joined in for a second, because I'm watching it, but... Alright, we're gonna retry... Uh-oh. No, cancel. What is control break? Fuck. Oh my god. I prepare for the... What should you build? That's a good question. What should you build? Yo, Chower, what should he build? Six, seven.
66667.
Okay, my bad. Did you guys know that 6-7
Is the greatest.
Never mind. Let me stop. And we're crashing this. Okay. Now let me do something. Let me show you guys something. So, this is very important, chat. Now that I actually can see the chat, so yeah. I'd like to have a rerun. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. This is taking so long. Hold on. Taking forever to pull it up and like more than 1 second. My bad, chat. Alright, how do I move? Here we go. Guys, we're re-ranking. Yeah, I don't know about Lucky Man. That was actually the most miserable thing I've ever done in my life. I'm kidding. To be completely honest with you, though, that might be like the last time I use like boot. So I was gonna look up like dual boot. How do I go? Hold on. Yo, this tab is like blocking me. He's cock blocking. Alright, guys. How do you feel about that, Ryan? Yo. Yo, Noah. Noah, yes, spam W's. Spam W's, Noah, spam. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, hell yeah. Yep. You're spamming two. Why are you spamming two, Noah? Oh, okay. Did not mean to zoom in that big. Okay, char. Sorry, my mic just actually like spontaneously combusted. Hive eyes. Hive eyes, get rid of tacky. Yo, yeah, ban the fuck out of him. Is that Mr. Tacky? I actually don't know. Alright. This is a W stream, I think, maybe. Peak stream, peak stream. Alright, everyone. Maybe we'll probably, well, if I ever get a chance, obviously I'm doing a part 2. Because that was actually really satisfying. That was actually, like, surprisingly fun, like, debugging in, like, a really old language. Writing. No, you just got here. Shut the fuck up. L stream. Shout out to Hive Eyes, too. No, I'm joking. Yo, Mr. Tacky, bro. Tune in next stream, bro. We have been streaming for an hour, so this is a good one. Oh, my mic keeps cutting out. I'm gonna try to edit it. I don't know.